add a text RX90 to make it in the vertical. In geometry, extrude it and give it a depth, and I add a plane. Hit S to make it bigger like this. Now select the text, GZ up just a little like this. Now right click, convert this text to mesh. Okay, now I go here, right click, horizontal split, switch to shader editor and hit N to close this window. Now here you must switch to cycles and enable a GPU if you have one. I make this window to the render view, so I hit Z and I go to render view. As you can see here, our text is in this environment like this. It's just a HDRI. Now I select the plane first, hit tab and select edge mode. Select this one and extrude it in Z axis and hit tab to close. Here in generate, add a bevel, give it a little like this and segment, right click, shade smooth. I change this color and make it black like this. And now I select the text, hit new, I zoom out a little to see. Select this one, hit X, delete. In shader, I select glass shader and I go back and I select transparent shader, and we want to mix these two shader to go here in the surface. So I go back in shader and I select mix shader, connect it like this, first one here and the second here. Now we have our text as a glass. Now I go here in input, I select light pad and I select transparent depth and I connect it to the factor. Now we want to give this text this crystal look, so I go here in add, in vector I select displacement, I connect displacement like this. Now I go here in add, in texture I select Voronoi texture, connect distance to height. As you can see now we have this text like this. You can animate this, just go here in 4D and you can animate this. Now here I go back here, I add an area light to G, Z up, S, X and I scale it in X axis and I go here and I increase. So I leave it like this and I change the color. Maybe I give it a nice color like this, nice blue. Okay, but we don't want to see this shadow of this light. So I go here in visibility, I check a glossy. And now I can add more power for this light. Now I switch here to render view, we can see it more. S and they scale the plane. So now I can disable this too. Now we have our text like this. As you can see, it's easy to do. Maybe I rotate it just a little, just to give it a nice look like this. Now if I go here in a render to render this image, now you have this look for this text. So this tutorial is finished. I hope that you like it. If you want to see more tutorial like this, watch the video in the end.